Good evening, class 9. Today we are going to learn about Gross National Product, GNP, that is Gross National Product. Okay, look at the definition of Gross National Product. Gross National Product is the market value of all the goods and services produced in a country's border in 1 year, including income from abroad. Now, the formula to calculate GNP is GNP is equal to GDP plus net income from abroad. So, I hope that you have already seen the video that is related to GDP. So, from that video, you can learn about GDP. Okay, so first what we should know is when we talk about GNP, then we should know about GDP. The the total market value of goods and services produced in a country within 1 year is known as GDP. And when that GDP is added to net income from abroad, then we get GNP, that is Gross National Product. Now let us talk about what is net income from abroad. You know that there are so many people who are working in our country, who are the citizens of our country. They work inside our country to produce different types of goods and services. Not only that, there are so many others from our country who work in other country and they earn the money by producing some goods or services in that country. So what we should know is when we talk about GNP, we are talking about the output of nationals. Means we are talking about the people who are from our country or who are from a certain country. So when we talk about GNP, we add the income that is earned by the people who are Nepali, who are working inside our country, plus Nepali who are working outside our country. You know that there are so many people from our country who go abroad for a job. So they are working there and they earn the money and they send it to our country in the form of remittance. Sometimes the investors, they invest money in other country in different business and they get profit and they bring back the profit to our country. That is also added in GNP. So it means that when we talk about net income from abroad, we deduct the money that is earned by the foreigners in our country and we add the income that is earned by our citizens in the other country. So the difference between that what we can say, the difference between export and import is known as net income from abroad. Okay, so it means that take the example, if you know about Binod Chaudhary, he has so many industries of YY Chow Chow in different parts of the world. He earns money or he earns the profit in that country. The profit he earns is added in the GNP of Nepal. But if Neymar he comes and play in a team or for certain football club in our country and he earns the money, means that money is not added in the GNP of Nepal. It is added in the GNP of Brazil. So it means that when we talk about GNP, GNP is related to the national concept or it is based on the concept of citizenship. We talk about the output of the nationals, whether the national belong to my country or other country. Okay, so what we should know is to find out GNP, we have to add net income from abroad to GDP. Or even we can write another formula or we can say another formula that is GDP plus X minus M. Here X minus M. X means export and M means import. So net income from abroad means the difference of export minus no export and import. Yeah, so I hope you understood me. Now let us look at the difference of GDP and GNP. I request the student to find out my video related to GDP, go through the video and then go through this video to find out the difference between GDP and GNP. Now, GDP is the market value of all the goods and services produced within a country in a year. Means in GDP, we considered about the product or the output inside the country. But when we talk about GNP, GNP is the market value of all goods and services produced within and outside a country in a year. So it means that we are talking about the products and services which are produced by the citizens inside the country as well as the citizens who are working outside the country. GDP includes all the goods produced in agricultural sector like paddy, wheat, tea, coffee, jute, plus all goods produced in industrial sector like biscuits, cloths, pipes, etc. plus services provided by different sectors like health, education, transportations and others. But when we talk about GNP, GNP includes GDP and net income from abroad, that is export minus import. Now the formula to calculate GDP is A plus I plus S, that is agricultural, the production of agricultural sector, industrial sector and service sector. And when we talk about GNP, then to calculate GNP, we need to add net income from abroad, that is export minus import to GDP. And GDP, it measures the size of the local economy, means how much the country has produced within its country. We can know through GDP. But when we talk about GNP, GNP reflects the overall economic strength of the country. There are so many people who are working abroad from our country. They may be earning more sometime. So when we talk about GNP, GNP has more wider scope in comparison to GDP.
It's quiz time. First question, what is the full form of GNP? Second, what is the formula to calculate GNP? Third, give formula to calculate net income from abroad. I hope you will write the answer of the question in the comment section below. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. If you haven't checked out our other videos, it's in the description below.